We are showing this unit 2407, one build, the name 151. The before was Biscayne Landy 2407. This is one of the biggest floor plans. They do have this little foyer. Okay. The good thing about this one is a 3.5 bedroom, 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathroom. As you can see here, it's a 2006 kitchen that's original. They do have this laundry area. You have the air conditioner. The air conditioner also is original from 2006, but look like it's still in good condition. Here you have this view from the ocean, sunny isles. It's a high floor. You're able to see everything. They are doing a renovation in the balcony. Okay, you're not able to go outside, but also you're able to see over there Bal Harbour, Miami Beach. Okay, this is a list of $599, but usually they sell around the $520, $550. I'm sorry for they are doing some noise over there. Okay, they do have the 2 closets, good spaces, closets. They do have a very good size. Okay, let's take a look at the rest of the apartment here. I show here half bath, the laundry area, and here is the rest of the apartment here. You have the full suite. You have these hurricane impact windows, but this one facing over there, you need to keep closed most of the time for privacy. And the third bedroom here. This is one of the most desired but need the full renovation. It's listed for $599.